Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to take IELTS indicator. Let me tell you, IELTS indicator is a computer based test. It's more like IELTS, computer delivered IELTS, but you can take this test from your home. Remember one thing, IELTS indicator is a test which is going to be published. It's not that when you log in then your test will start. No, it is going to be published and automatically sections or even the modules will change. First it will start with listening, and as the real IELTS, 3 modules will be conducted at the same time. The test will start with listening. Right after listening there will be reading, then after reading there will be the writing module, and time and each and everything will be controlled by Cambridge University. It's not that whenever you are free you want to take the test you can take. No, all over the country at one place or maybe in 2, 3, 4 countries where the time zone is same, they will conduct this test at the same time. And again I'm telling you, this test will be published by Cambridge University and it will be timed by Cambridge University. So you cannot just do this thing that I pause it for some time and I need to go to the loo and I pause it here. You cannot do that. Okay, the first thing. Now those who are planning to take IELTS indicator, for them I would advise actually start your practice from your laptop. You must have PDF of Cambridge IELTS books like book 11, book 12, book 13, book 14. Take your listening test on the laptop, the first thing, and second, make yourselves habitual of typing. Although in computer delivered IELTS you don't have to type too much, maximum there are 3-word answers, but in computer delivered IELTS they mainly have drag and drop option. If it is multiple choice you can click on option A, option B, option C, and you can change your answers as well. In the beginning they will give you time to read the questions, at the end they will give you time to check your answers, and at any point before submitting your complete listening test you can change, modify your answers anytime. There is no problem. So if you are planning to take IELTS indicator, then my advice is you should practice your IELTS through Cambridge IELTS books, through the PDF of Cambridge IELTS books, and you need to practice listening, reading on your laptop, on your desktop or whatever you have, but don't do it on tablet. As far as writing is concerned, now you will have to do task 1 and task 2, and screen is divided into 2 parts. On the left side you will see the question paper, on the right side you will have to type your answer. So although you don't need very fast typing speed, but at least you should be able to type comfortably and easily, and you should not be the typist who types with one finger. Okay, at least you should know how to type with both hands, the first thing. And the second, when you finish a sentence, you must use the commas and full stops and all that, but when you finish a sentence, after full stop, you need to give 1 character space. Students don't do that. When you finish a sentence at full stop, after full stop you must give 1 character space and then start the next sentence. Although you have the option, you can copy any sentence and paste it anywhere, right? You can modify it, you can change it, you can do some rough work at the end, and then towards the end you can delete that as well. So you have all these options, and it is quite convenient if you are comfortable with screens, if you're comfortable with typing, with computers and all that. So those who are planning to take IELTS indicator, do not practice from books, practice on your laptop along with the headphones for listening, and for reading, read the screen of your laptop. And in actual IELTS test they will give you this option. If you click the right mouse button, they will give you the mouse. You will do it at home, so you'll have the mouse. When you click right mouse button, you can underline the text in reading, you can even highlight the text in reading. So you have all these options and you can avail them. So guys, all the best. If you're planning to take IELTS indicator, my good wishes are with you, and please practice on your laptop or on your desktop. And by the way, practice on the same system where you are planning to take your IELTS indicator, because then you'll be more comfortable. If you're planning to take your IELTS indicator on your laptop, if you're practicing on laptop, take it on your laptop. If you're practicing on your desktop computer, then take it on your desktop computer, because you'll be more comfortable. It's more like a home ground. So guys, all the best. Thank you very, very much. And you must share your experience of IELTS indicator. Send me all the details and I will make a review video for my students. Okay, and you must tell me how was the experience, how did it go on, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even I will interview you and we will tell others about your experience of IELTS indicator. All the best guys. Thank you very, very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.